Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. If you are new here, I talk about cryptocurrency and stock market videos on a regular basis. And so if you're interested in following along, please hit the subscribe button. And so the cryptocurrency that I'm going to be talking about today is Telcoin. I think there's huge potential for this cryptocurrency. I think we are still very early and there's many upcoming catalysts. They have also released some very exciting news today, as well as they have passed the Nebraska Financial Innovation Act. And so I think this is huge news for Telcoin. This is one of their first catalysts. As they continue to push out many more catalysts, I think this will continue to grow. And so throughout the video, I will be providing my price target, where I think this is heading. I will also be taking a look at the Telcoin roadmap and many upcoming catalysts. And so definitely stay until the end of the video so you do not miss any of those. As always, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. If you'd like to find out about this information before watching this video, definitely check out my Discord chat. There is a link below to Patreon, and that will provide access to that Discord chat where I will provide any new information as soon as I find out about it, as well as my buys and sells. And so if you're interested in that, definitely check it out. If you would like to get 2 free stocks from Webull, there is a link below. Once you deposit $100, you can get 2 free stocks valued between $8 and $1,600. And so once you receive those, you can actually sell those stocks and put them back in your bank account and actually buy more Telcoin. And so if that interests you, definitely check out the link below. And so let's get started. Let's talk about Telcoin here. This is their website. And so for those of you that are not familiar with Telcoin and what they do, I'd like to go over a quick overview. And so they are focusing on payment remittance services, and so they are working on sending money smarter. And so it's similar to sending money like through Venmo, however this is from country to country. And so it's like sending money from the US to Mexico or something like that. And so to do that right now, you have to go to like a Western Union where there is very high fees. And so Telcoin is focusing on using cryptocurrency and blockchain to make this much faster and cheaper. And so they have been developing this for a couple of years now. They have already developed an app that is on the Apple and Android App Store. And so this will provide instant transfers and convenience on your mobile device. This is also very affordable. Instead of 7% fees, there will be an average cost of less than 2%. And so this is also built on the Ethereum network. And so it's very quick and secure. And so I think there's a lot of potential for Telcoin going forward. I like to focus on cryptocurrencies that have a lot of value and a real world use case. And so I definitely think this is what Telcoin has. They are focusing on sending money globally much faster and cheaper. And so I think they are focusing on something that is really needed in today's world, as I believe the current technology that we have for this is outdated. And so I'd also like to take a look at Senator Julie Slama's Twitter account. She is the senator in Nebraska. And so she has announced on Twitter that the LB 649 bill has passed. This is the Financial Innovation Act in Nebraska. And so they have been voting on this the last couple of weeks. And so this will allow Nebraska to focus on cryptocurrencies. This will allow for Telcoin to become the first digital asset bank in Nebraska. And so Telcoin has been working with the legislative team in Nebraska to help develop this bill. And so they also gave credit here, you can see as well. They have worked with Senator Mike Flood and the Telcoin team. And so they have acknowledged that. And so I think that is very positive going forward. And so I'd like to take a look at Telcoin on CoinMarketCap here. As we can see, it is up 13%. And so we can see it did start to spike here after the news was released. And so I expect this to continue. It may drop back down. However, there is many catalysts upcoming for Telcoin. And so as they continue to release these and start marketing, I think Telcoin is just going to continue to gain more traction and continue to go up in price. And so again, this is only my opinion. This is not financial advice. And so make sure to do your own research. And so I'd also like to compare this to other cryptocurrencies as well. As we can see, Bitcoin is the number 1 by market cap. Then we have Ethereum, 3 is Tether, and then we have 4 and 5 at Binance Coin and Cardano. And so both of these are trading at about a $50 billion market cap right now. And so I definitely think that Telcoin has the capability of getting here as well. And so if we go back to Telcoin, this is currently trading as number 55 rank out of market cap. And so it is a $1.8 billion market cap. And so this has grown substantially over the last hour just since the news has been released. And so I think that this could definitely hit $50 billion. That would be about a 30 times from here. And so I think that would put Telcoin's price target right around $1. And so I definitely think this is possible, especially with their roadmap going forward and many other catalysts that I'm going to be talking about. And so let's take a look at the roadmap here. And so their spring roadmap for April through June is to release their Telcoin at V3 Project Rivendell. And so this is huge for Telcoin. They are developing their own app where you can buy cryptocurrencies directly from them rather than having to buy on KuCoin. And so that is the platform that I use right now. If you're interested in buying KuCoin, there is a link below for that as well. And so then you would be able to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or even Telcoin on their app directly. And so it's easy access to Telcoin, and then you're also able to store it there. And there has also been rumors going around that you'd be able to stake Telcoin as well and earn an interest rate. And so I think there's a lot of potential for this cryptocurrency going forward. And so they're also looking at putting Telcoin on other exchanges to make it more accessible to people to purchase. And so they're also going to be launching their initial marketing campaign. They have not began marketing yet. And so I think this may be something that they've been waiting on. And so since the bill has been passed in Nebraska, they may now start marketing, since they know that they are able to start a digital asset bank there. They have also started posting job positions in Nebraska. And so I think this is their goal going forward, is to be established in Nebraska. And so I think once they start marketing, this is going to absolutely explode. And so I'd like to take a look at this a little bit further as well. They're going to provide another update, and they look to push this to other markets as well. And so they're going to expand their initial marketing campaign. And so I think that's very good for them. And then they're going to be providing another update, and they're going to continue to scale the marketing campaigns through the end of the year. And so I think by the end of the year, we should definitely be at that dollar price target. And so I think there's a lot of potential for this cryptocurrency going forward. There's a lot of bullish catalyst coming up. And so I think every time they release this news, whether they are going to another payment corridor, such as Mexico or something like that, it is going to continue to go up once they release their version 3 of the app. I think it will go up then as well. And then once they start marketing, we start seeing this out on Facebook or billboards, I think it will only continue to increase. And so I think they're doing a very good job. They have been developing over the last 3 years and not worried about trying to pump up their cryptocurrency. And so I think this cryptocurrency has a very good use case going forward and a lot of potential. And so if you enjoyed this video, definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see future cryptocurrency videos. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.